Do you ever feel like you're struggling to keep your head above water? Does it seem like your financial goals are always just out of reach? Are you trying to buy a home or car, find a job, or rent an apartment but are facing rejection because of poor credit, excessive debt, or high interest rates? Are you not sure where you should turn next? United Credit Education Services is here to help. We're assisting people just like you secure their financial future through our amazing UCES Protection Plan. The UCES Protection Plan is a powerful array of products designed to make a three-pronged approach to excellent financial well-being by helping you rebuild and maintain your credit, organize and take control of your financial future, and protect both yourself and your family from uncertainty. Your credit score is the most important number in your financial life, and having a low credit score can lead to you paying significantly more, tens of thousands to even millions of dollars more in interest over the course of your lifetime. A low credit score can even cost you a potential job, vehicle, or home. And while building and maintaining an excellent credit score might seem like an arduous task, the UCES Protection Plan has the tools to help you get started. Included with your UCES Protection Plan is our powerful credit restoration program. If you are one of the 4 in 5 Americans with an error on your credit report, this program will aid you in the process of disputing inaccurate, obsolete, and erroneous items that may be negatively impacting your credit score. Helpful videos, tips, and customer support are here to help you every step of the way. You'll also have access to the resources in our Credit Builder program, allowing you to learn more about how credit works and how to build your score going forward. Protecting and maintaining your score is just as important as improving it, which is why we've included credit monitoring, allowing you to check the status of your credit score as often as you need to. Managing your finances properly will ensure a positive financial future, which is why the UCES Protection Plan offers tools to help you stay on track. Organize, balance, and stay on top of your monthly spending with our budgeting planner. Make a plan to get yourself out of debt as quickly as possible with our debt payoff calculator. Manage your progress and get regular reminders when saving for any purchase, big or small, with savings goals. And determine your ratio of assets to liabilities with our net worth calculator. Using all of these products in conjunction with each other will allow you to take an efficient approach to managing your finances and maintain an organized financial lifestyle. Once you've organized your financial profile and achieved your credit goals, you'll want to make sure that you protect these assets and your identity. In today's age of data breaches, security issues, and uncertainty, it is imperative to have a plan in place to ensure you stay protected. Our state-of-the-art identity monitoring service will safeguard and secure your personal identity. Additionally, as you're taking the proper steps to protect your identity today, know that it is extremely important to also have a long-term plan for your future in place. Make sure that you and your family are taken care of in the event of an emergency with our top-of-the-line will and trust program, My Care Plan. My Care will guide you through drawing up your will, create a living trust, and ensure your financial and medical decisions are in the right hands with powers of financial and medical attorney. You'll also have access to an organizational tool called Financial Lockbox, which safely stores all your personal and financial data to be readily available to the person you choose in the case of an emergency. Being prepared with these critical services is the best way to protect yourself and your assets, while offering the peace of mind that you and your loved ones are cared for no matter what. Every one of these important services are included in your UCES Protection Plan to ensure that each aspect of your financial well-being is taken care of for years to come. And while other companies and individuals offer similar services separately with fees that can total thousands of dollars, the UCES Protection Plan membership is offered for a one-time activation fee of $99 and a low monthly payment of only $89. So what are you waiting for? Investing in yourself is important, and without action, it is impossible to improve your finances, your credit, your security, your entire financial well-being. You and your family deserve a secure future, and you deserve to have your financial goals be within reach. Contact the agent that showed you this video and get your UCES Protection Plan membership started today so you can begin enjoying the benefits of having a safe and secure financial plan.